Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SEO PowerSuite to analyze competitors' backlink profiles, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open SEO PowerSuite on your computer. Select the Link Explorer tool from the main dashboard. Click on the Add Project button. Enter the name of your project in the designated field. Input the URL of your competitor's website into the relevant field. Click Next to proceed. Choose the search engine you wish to analyze. Set your preferred location for the analysis. Click Fetch Backlinks to start retrieving data. Once the data is loaded, navigate to the Backlinks tab. Review the displayed backlinks for your competitor. To filter the data, use the options provided to sort by metrics such as authority or relevance. Identify high-quality backlinks that are driving traffic to your competitor. Take note of the linking domains for further analysis. You can export the backlink data by clicking on the Export option. Select your preferred file format for export. Save the file to your desired location on your computer. Analyze the exported data to identify potential link building opportunities. Implement your findings into your SEO strategy for better results. Regularly check back for updates on your competitor's backlink profile to stay informed. Utilize this process to improve your own website's link building efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.